Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beaded bracelet in two different methods. Let's get to it. Materials you need for this first way I'll be showing you is a couple of pony beads. I'll be using the pattern of pink and blue. You will also need some clasps. I'll be using C-clips from Rainbow Loom, and you'll also need some rubber bands. I'll be using white Rainbow Loom rubber bands. Let's get started. The first step is to thread your rubber bands through your beads, and to do so you will need to pinch them like this and then just put them through, put one half through and then pull it through just like this, and repeat this process until you have about like 20. Now you can get one of your rubber bands and cross it over your two fingers to make this 8. And then you will get another rubber band and place it normally on top. And then use your fingers and place that bottom number 8 over like this, so you have half like that. And then do that same process on the other side, and so you have this chain. And then after that, you can get one of your rubber bands that have your bead on it and place it normally on your two fingers like this, and then you will get your bottom layer band and then place it over and do that exact same thing on the other side. And now get another one of your beads in the opposite color and place it on top like this, and then get your bottom rubber band and cross it over and do that exact same thing on the other side, and keep doing this with your other colors. And make sure now and then to pull your bottom layer of bands down. And now the final step is to put your C-clip or clasp on your bands. And to do so, you will need to stretch your fingers out like this, place one band in, take that out, stretch it out, and place the other end in. So you have one end in, and then do that same thing on this other side. And now you have your bracelet. The materials you need for the second method for this bracelet is a loom, some rubber bands. I'll be using the same ones as I did for the first method, a Rainbow Loom hook or just a regular hook, and some more pony beads. I'll be using the pattern of red and orange. Let's get started. So for the first step, it's the exact same step as the first method, and that's to thread your Rainbow Loom bands through your pony beads, just like this, like that, and repeat this process until all your beads are complete. The final step is to use your C-clip and attach everything together, and to do so, I'll be using the end first, putting it on my finger and using the C-clip and putting them through like this. And then I'll be taking this off with my fingers. Placing this also on my finger, just like that. And I'm going to be getting the end of the bracelet where the C-clip is, and I will be placing it on top like this. And now you have your second way for this bracelet. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!